So today I'm going to bring you my review on this WOLFBOX Superpower turbofan. This is the MF50, by the way. Listen, this is going to be used to generate air to clean off and to dust out your computers, your keyboards, in your car, in those tight crevices, maybe between the seats. This is what this is for. So here you can see you have a description of where everything is, what it is. We have our manual there. Always read that. Here we've got a USB to USB-C cable. We have some different attachments here as well. So if you got a space that you can't get into, this will concentrate that power. A narrow chamber to get that going. Looks like a 45-degree cut there. And then a short, stout nozzle there. And then the unit itself, there's the fan motor. There's the charging port right there. This should be the on-off button. Yep. There is the status indicator, lets you know the charge. Here is the action button. This is the... Oh, wow. Okay. Nothing. Okay. I guess that answers that question. It's very powerful. You have these different attachments. They just kind of pop in and pop out. There you go. No big deal. You'll be able to dust your keyboard, your computers. You might not want to always take apart the whole computer or open it up to get inside to clean around the fans, but this should do the trick. So here's the keyboard. Here's the attachment that came with it. I mean, you can hear that power in there. And let me tell you something. Like, it's blowing that box. Here, I'm going to let me hold the lid here. I'm having too much fun with this. So as you can see, this WOLFBOX has extreme amounts of power. Fits right in your hand, lightweight, not strong, easy on, easy off, power indicator. Yeah, I can't wait to see what I can do with it in the car.